I know.
The neighbor's house.
Here,
I
Kenzie.
just want- like when I'm traveling and I just want an extra little bag to put in there and
Kenzie.
like,
Dance. Can you dance? Show us your best moves. Look at them shoes. Looks like you got your game pants on. One leg up, one leg down.
what I really like is the smaller ones.
You know,
Oh, I'm gonna.
that could also be the shower.
It's pretty good finished up too.
So you're not gonna dance.
I think it does.
Okay.